There are at least two tools Stanton County leaders have always had to understand about COVID-19, testing and contact tracing. Some lawmakers say the state is failing in both areas. This is new video showing COVID-19 testing at the Arizona State Fairgrounds near 19th Avenue and McDowell in Phoenix. Tonight, we're learning the CDC warned communities like Maricopa County there would be significant consequences if they didn't take it seriously. ABC 15's Nicole Gregg with the new letter sent to the state's largest county.
U.S. Representative Greg Stanton sending this letter to Maricopa County about contact tracing, saying their poor planning and slow reaction is an inexcusable disaster. U.S. Representative Greg Stanton calling out Maricopa County's lack of contact tracing, saying this situation is a disaster. It is costing lives. It is inexcusable. Former Emergency Management Director Wendy Reeve turned ABC 15 analyst.
Contact tracing is very important in order to understand and to notify those that have come in contact with somebody that has tested positive.
His letter goes on to say that the CDC warned communities like Maricopa County to take contact tracing seriously or face significant consequences. This, as the Washington Post, highlighting how in the early weeks Maricopa County took a mediated approach. It was left up to those who tested positive instead of the contact tracers to let those they were around know.
Instead of relying upon them to do the right thing and make as much notification as they can to the people that they have come in contact with within a certain period of time, the contact tracer is taking that action on their behalf.
The governor finally acting on contact tracing last week, activating 300 Guards members, but the decision was made late, too late. Testing has not gone smoothly either.
It means that this is where the heavy cases are.
Dr. Dahlia Wax, a family physician, radio personality, and telemedicine doctor, has seen a spike in calls from Arizona.
And in the last 72 hours, the calls I'm getting from Arizona people needing telemedicine health has kind of alerted me to they're having issues with urgent cares being full, with inability to get testing and long lines with getting testing.
The lack of testing being addressed in Thursday's press conference.
We are going to increase testing in Arizona. It gives us more information and to make better informed decisions.
And the long wait times as those in Maryvale waited up to 10 hours in their car. The public health director says they're sending supplies and test kits to help testing this weekend.
We're currently working with community providers to increase the community-based testing in the West Phoenix and Maryvale area.
We're more than 100 days into this now. As for why are we in the same situation as we were weeks ago? Well, the state says that they are working to get more testing machines and testing kits. Reporting in Phoenix, Nicole Gregg, ABC 15, Arizona.